Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to play with some new makeup. Almost everything, if not everything, will be a first impression, which is exciting. It's been a while since I've had enough stuff to do pretty much almost everything. We'll see. We'll see. It's going to be mostly the new XX Revolution line, and then Rude Cosmetics sent me a ton of stuff. Their stuff is so cute. I can't wait to show it all to you. There is a coupon code for you guys, which is good until May of next year, which is 1Shannon10. I will put it down below as well for you guys. Just lets them know that I sent you. I don't get anything from it. It just saves you money. And they got some cute stuff, so I'm excited to try it. It's been a while since I've had some new Rude Cosmetics stuff. I'll try and link my last testing Rude Cosmetics video down below so you guys can check that out. Yeah, let's go ahead and jump in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Let's do this. All right, I'm wearing this little bodysuit from Boohoo, and I just feel very 80s. It's very booby. You can't really see that. Okay, I'm gonna bring you in, I think, a little bit closer so you can really see what's going on. So the primer we're gonna use is the Glow Fix Brightening Primer from XX Revolution. This is with the packaging. It's kind of a peachy tone, if I remember, yes. Ooh. Glow All Day Primer for Lit from Within Skin. Universal tone, light reflecting pearls, illuminates and brightens skin while holding makeup in place. Cranberry, seed oil, and caffeine. Smells good. It smells a little bit fruity. It's not super intense though. All right, so the foundation we are going to use, we're gonna try the Glow Skin Foundation, the Luminous Foundation from XX Revolution. I think I'm gonna try, I've never tried 1.5. I've got a few here. And we're also gonna try out, oh, it looks all funky because I got it wet and then shoved it back in there. I'm trying out the new Super Sponge. They come in multiple colors, and they come with these little containers. I think they gave me a coupon code too for you guys, so I will leave that down below. It doesn't get a ton bigger because it's got this little like protective thing on it. It's supposed to save 4 times the makeup, limit germs, stays clean. Yeah, I like that it comes with like a little thing for you to put it on. It's cute. I love this packaging so much. So beautiful. So one side of this seems to be like regular kind of spongy, and then the rest is that. So we'll see how this goes. This one might be a little bit light for me. I feel like I'm gonna really love this sponge for my concealer, but I feel like the Shop Marseille sponge just blends out so quickly for a foundation. We'll see. I feel like that really did. I still have so much foundation on my hand. I feel like it really did soak up less foundation though. I don't love it. I don't love it. Might mix something on top of it because if you guys can see, it's like cleaned every little bit of peach fuzz that I have, and it just doesn't look as smooth as the other one does. So I think personally I do prefer the matte one that just came out. So I might add a little bit of that on top because I feel like those together, that one's a little too matte and this one's a little too dewy for me. Like it looks good from far away. I love the glow, but I don't like how it's sitting on my skin. I mean, of course that could be the sponge, but I think I'm gonna add a little bit of the matte one, which is the Liquid Skin Foundation. This one's an F2, might be more my jam, just so much more coverage. I'm hoping that together though, they're gonna be perfect. If you're like me and you love the original Conceal and Define, this one reminds me a lot, a lot of Conceal and Define, just a little more matte. And then this one's definitely closer to the Conceal and Define Hydration one, just my first look on the skin. But I think together they actually look really nice. I'm gonna get up closer. It looks way better. It's a little dewy. Rude Cosmetics Sculpting Concealers. We're gonna try this guy out today. Mine is in light. It actually, look, it looks like they go together. How cool is that? Like they literally are almost the same. This is what it looks like. Kind of enjoying a minute with no nails. It's got a doe foot. But I like a lot, I like a lot of concealer. I think that's obvious. Okay, now we're gonna use this side of the sponge. It definitely absorbs less, but I don't know if it gives me quite the flawless. I think I like the bottom of the sponge a little more. But I think for places like trouble spots, like a zit, like I should try and cover that guy up and see how it goes. I would say it's like medium coverage. It looks pretty nice on the under eye though. I'll go ahead and bronze a little bit. This is the palette that I got from them. It's one of their no filter 3D face palette in roses. Look how stinking cute this packaging is. Is this not the cutest packaging? Look at this. I'm just gonna start by just bronzing. The difference that bronzing makes. I still look dead. Let's get real. I'm gonna go ahead and pop my brows on and I'll be right back because I don't have a new brow product. I'm sorry. I'll be right back. All right, loves, this is the palette we're gonna use today. By the way, I just used the XX Revolution brow pencil, and for some reason I loved it way more this time than the last time I used it. Last time I was like, it's okay, but now I did my brows so fast, I really like it. So we are gonna jump to eyes. We're gonna use the Whatever Forever palette from Rude Cosmetics. So cute. I want to do some graphic liner. I do have the Norvina liners. I paid for this with my own money, this guy right here. So we're gonna try this too. I don't know what color. I don't know. We're just gonna go for it. I can't decide. I kind of want to do like the blank lid or like a cream lid with like, I don't know. I think I'm gonna start with the yellow. Let's start with the yellow, which is Talk to the Hand. I think I want to do the yellow on the inside of the eye. I should use the smaller brush, but that's okay. So I'm just blending it on the inner half. It's okay if it goes on the lid, we will just do a cut crease. That's what we decide to do. This is pretty pigmented, especially for a yellow. Okay, I think we're gonna go into the orange next right here. I'm gonna use all matte shades, I think, for now. Home skillet. Home skillet. I feel like my sister used to say that when I was younger. I'm just kind of focusing that on the middle of the eye, overlapping it with the yellow. Hope this pink is going to be pigmented enough because now we're going to go into this guy. Kind of stamping it on to make it more pigmented. Oh, I should have primed my lids. I guess I primed with concealer, but I probably should have done like a white primer. That's okay. I'm impressed with how bright these are without doing that though. I'm gonna mix a little of this darker pink in, I think. It is got a little bit of shimmer, but we'll see. Kind of winging it out too. Ooh, girl, this is bright. This is bright. Story of my life, I think I went too high. Since there is not a matte cream shade in the palette, I'm just gonna go in with my face powder. Try and bring it back down a little bit. I want to put a purple out here a little bit, I think. So I think I'm gonna mix the pink and this purple because the purple looks so dark. I don't want it to be like too overwhelming, but we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna take that same shade out here. Just those two, mixing that light pink and that dark purple. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just use a concealer. I can't find my cut crease canvas, so we're just gonna use this CoverGirl concealer because it's pretty light. Blending those edges a little bit. I look crazy. I look crazy. I'm just gonna use my face powder again and just put that on the lid. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put on I'm gonna tempt a smaller wing. We're gonna tempt it. We can always cover part of it up though, so let's see what we can do. I put a tiny bit of black liner on the lower lash line and just smudged it out. Oh, they do smell funky. I heard that these stink, and they do. Oh, they come with a tiny mirror. That's cute. I think we're gonna try yellow. These are really tiny. For some reason, I expected them to be bigger, but they're like the same size as a normal eyeshadow. Not that I'm ever gonna use that much of a bright liquid liner. Maybe I'll do green, pink, yellow. We're just gonna fling around a lot. I wish that they would stay a little better, but we're gonna try the green. And they're water activated, so you literally just get your brush wet and then dip in. Well, they're more pigmented than I even thought on the first go, so that's good. I almost want to do yellow next and then meet with the pink. So shaky. I'm not good at this. Oh my goodness, you guys. I feel like I'm gonna have to do a lot of cleanup, but that's okay. We can do cleanup. Alright, I think it's time for lashes. The lashes we're going to use today, oh my goodness, I might have to trim these. These look insane. I did not realize how long these are. These again are from Rude Cosmetics. I have hooded lids. That's going to like completely cover them. What are these? Imagination. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pop these on. I'll be right back. Okay, I put the lashes on. I haven't like fixed them or anything, but they're definitely way too big. I think for this eye look, maybe with a really dark smoky eye look, it would be better. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch my lashes real quick. I'm just gonna put on some Wispies. These are Salon Perfect Wispies. So I feel like those are gonna show off the graphic liner a lot better than these. So I'll be right back again. All right, loves, this is where we are at. I feel like these lashes are way better for this look. It's still, that way you can just really see the liner. The whole point is the liner. This is my first time ever trying graphic liner, so please give me a break. I know it's not great, but I did my best for right now. I just wanted to try them out. I am really impressed with those Norvina. They still stink a little bit, but now once they've been open, they don't really smell as bad. They're just water activated paints, really. They're just neon ones. A lot of brands have them if you don't want to purchase these ones because they are more expensive. I honestly only went for these ones because I could order these and not leave my house, unlike the Profusion ones. They have new neon liners that are not water activated. They're actual neon liners that look amazing, but the Walmart near me doesn't have them, and I didn't want to go across town because I have no reason to go other than the liners, so that's why I went with these. There isn't a super light shade in there, so you guys know I love this so much for an inner corner highlight. This is Shop Missy AOA Studio Pigment and Orb, and I'm just gonna spritz it with this Face Fix from Revolution. By the way, the foundation looks so much better now that it's sat for a little bit. Those two together look so good. Just gonna spritz the brush. You know what? Let's just pop that in there per usual. The best. A little bit up here. For blush, we're gonna go back into this little palette. Got this nice kind of peachy, pinky blush. It's my blush brush called Wild Ride. Oh yes. That is freaking pigmented, almost too pigmented. Look at that cheek. Girl. Let me take a little bit of, that's so pigmented. Oh my gosh. Use a light hand. Use a little bit more of my face powder just to kind of lighten that up a little bit. I have two different highlighters. So there is the highlighter in here, which I think we'll use a little bit of. Then the one I'm really excited about is this loose highlighter, this moon smut. Looks beautiful. First we'll use this guy. Ooh, it's really pretty. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, girl, I look like a Neapolitan. Blended onto that blush because we know I like super glowy cheeks. I feel like that's such a good combination for like every day. Obviously, if you are as fair as I am, maybe use a little bit lighter of a hand than I did. Girl doesn't know what that means. Okay, I can't wait to break into this moon smut. I got mine in Climaxology. Wow. For this one, I'm just gonna spritz the brush because I always do with loose ones. I feel like it just works so much better. Oh, yes. It's got a tiny bit of glitter in it, but you don't really see it on the face. It just looks like a glow. It's like a gold ear, like a gold peachy, golden peach. But like fair enough for my fair skin. Both of those are absolutely gorgeous. I also have this little guy, but I don't think I want to add any glitter. I think I want to leave it as it is. So we will try this in another video. This is so pretty. I haven't really seen a glitter shadow this shade. If you guys can see, it's like a nice periwinkle kind of color. Very pretty. I can't wait to use this. So we'll use this guy in a video soon. But there is a lip. Oh, I think I got a red lip. Dang it. We're gonna have to use something else. I got a bright red lip, and I don't think this is the right combination. We're probably gonna go with a nude per usual. We'll definitely use this guy soon though. I'm sorry that I wasn't thinking. I was trying to get something different than a nude, and that's what happens. Okay, I think we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild liner in Lay Down the Mauves, and then this is the Pop Beauty lip in Pink Tutu. Definitely gonna lighten it because everything's too dark for me in my opinion. And I just feel like the lips need to be super understated for this kind of look. So many concealers sitting around me. I'm gonna use a tiny bit of this ColourPop one. And I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of white out my lips. I'm taking a little bit of Blushing Rose from e.l.f. just because that lip is so pink. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put on this plumping gloss from e.l.f. This is in Peach Bellini. Anyway, loves, I think that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let's go through the products really quick. I'm not 100% in love with this foundation. I'm not sure on the primer either. It could be the primer. I'm going to continue to try this out and let you guys know what I think. I do really like them together. I feel like my skin looks so much better. It actually looks really, really good. So I'm excited to continue to mix these and see what I think. Again, this is the Glow Skin Foundation, and this is the Liquid Skin Foundation, Glow Skin Foundation. I'm confusing myself. Too many foundations. I like the concealer. I'm not absolutely in love with it. I like a super high coverage concealer, but if you like a medium coverage concealer, it's super affordable and it's not bad at all. I actually quite like it. I'll keep trying that out as well. Like I said, the primer, I'm not sure. I really, really love this little guy. They have other ones too in different shades. I'll try and link everything down below for you guys with that coupon code too. I really like this. It's really pretty. It's a nice kind of golden. It's a little bit different. It's like goldy peachy, but fair, which I feel like is kind of rare to come by. Normally when they're goldy peachy, they're too dark for my skin tone, but I actually really love this one. Again, this one is Climaxology. This guy comes in a few shades too. I wish I could try the lipstick, but I have tried Rude lipsticks in the past and I really like them. This palette I am so impressed with. If you want colorful, lighter shades, like there's a lot of pastels and a lot of bright shades in here, I feel like this is such an amazing palette, and I think this guy's like only 15 bucks or something like that. The Noravina liners are really nice, way more pigmented than I thought. Usually when there's a water activated one, I feel like it doesn't go on as bright as these are, so I do really like these. But again, there are so many cheaper options now, and I can't wait to get the Profusion ones. Honestly, I'm probably still gonna grab them, but I just got impatient and got these. Am I forgetting anything? My lips are a stingly. Yes, I think that's everything. Those lashes look crazy. I'm sorry that I have such hooded lids and they just weren't gonna work with this. I think with like a really bold smoky eye, they'll be really beautiful because I like to have over dramatic lashes when I have like a really dark look. But this one's so light and bright that I feel like the Wispies just worked a little bit better. I think that's everything. All right, loves. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what kind of video you want to see next. Let me know what products you want to see in a video next. I'm thinking about doing another Revolution haul soon. I'm about to film a Revolution haul from the last stuff that I picked up, so you'll be seeing that very shortly. I think that's everything. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. So there is a coupon code. What does the back say? It says it's a glow all day primer for lit with from it. I got some foundation on my brush. Whoops. This is a little crazy. Double fix photo. Oh. The Nirvana